Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical on air standard Otto cycle. This question was asked in GATE 2003 for 2 marks and there are 4 choices, means it is a multiple choice question. The question is very simple to find the efficiency of Otto cycle. Now here in this question we are not going to draw the diagram because in previous 10 questions we have drawn the diagram. Let us understand the concept. For an engine operating on air standard Otto cycle, here they have given Otto cycle. In examination you have to do calculations like quickly Otto cycle, right? The clearance volume is 10% of swept volume. Here they have mentioned that clearance volume is 10% of swept volume, right? This is the first relation, means clearance volume is equal to 0.1 times swept volume, right? Now the specific heat ratio is 1.4, that means gamma is given, gamma is equal to 1.4. Then the air standard efficiency of the cycle is, what is the efficiency of this Otto cycle? This is the question. My dear students, in examination without doing diagram or without drawing diagram, you must know that the here compression ratio is nothing but V1 divided by V2, V1 divided by V2, and V1 is nothing but clearance volume plus swept volume divided by V2 is clearance volume. This idea you must know, or these concepts you must be remembered or you must recall in the examination without drawing diagram. And if you have confusion with these concepts, go in previous 10 numericals. In every numerical I have drawn the Otto cycle and I have explained these concepts, right? Now this is a compression ratio. Now therefore this compression ratio is equal to clearance volume plus swept volume divided by clearance volume. Therefore clearance volume is nothing but 0.1 times swept volume, put here. Therefore 0.1 swept volume plus swept volume divided by 0.1 swept volume. And if I solve this, 1.1 times swept volume divided by 0.1 swept volume, right? From this you will get compression ratio. Swept volume will get cancelled and compression ratio will be 11. And my dear students, in terms of this compression ratio 11 and gamma, we have formula to find the efficiency of Otto cycle. Now here compression ratio we have calculated and gamma is given, right? Gamma is 1.4 and compression ratio we have calculated as 11, and the efficiency of Otto cycle in terms of gamma and compression ratio is 1 minus 1 upon Rk raised to gamma minus 1. So let us put the values. 1 minus 1 upon Rk is 11 raised to 1.4 minus 1. And if I solve this, I will get efficiency of Otto cycle is equal to 61.67%, which is approximately equal to 61.7%, which is nothing but option D. Therefore for this question the right choice is option D. If you select option D, you will get 2 marks, right? And for any other option than option D, you will get minus 1/3 mark. Minus 1/3 mark means out of 2 there will be minus 2-3 marks, right? Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see more numericals on this topic.